Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to create test for the deleting a contact or editing or weaving the edit page for that specific contact. So let's just jump right in. So you can see the our current tests are passing using the we created these using the Laravel disk, and this is the contacts manager that we created via Laravel Vue.js, Inertia, and Tailwind CSS. And these are the current tests that we have created so far. So let's create another test that will allow us to delete a specific category or edit a specific category. So I'm going to duplicate this one, and we do not have to select anything like that. Let's cut this one as well. So the test name is going to be user can, instead of create, let's say delete a contact. So for that we do need category, we do need the contact being created. So I'm gonna use, let's say, contact, use the contact model, create one item, and if I come here we need these things, so I'm gonna paste them right here. For the UUID it's gonna be str colon colon UUID. The name is already there. Then we have the email, test at email.com. Phone number is, let's say, 0987653210, something like that. Address is let's put some random address, blah blah 123 something something. For the user ID, we have created a user above, so I'm going to use that user ID, and the same for the category ID. I'm going to pass that category ID. User ID again here, no need for that. And once we create a contact, then we will pass that to this method. Then first we need gonna log in. After that we go to dashboard, and after that we press this button or link, if we call. If I inspect, let's see if that is any uniquely identified element. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add one ID to that. So if I come to the dashboard, search for the delete button, and let's say the ID is gonna be, let's say, something like delete in quotes, delete plus then the contact UUID. Actually, maybe we can add underscore here. So I'm gonna save this and refresh here. Let's see if we have that unique ID, and I saw it here but I'm lagged out. So yeah, that is good. I'm gonna close that, close this one as well. Once you go to the dashboard, then you click on link. We have that method. Click, we have the click method as well. So let's click on the ID delete underscore, then the contact ID, concatenating that with the contact of UUID. So once you click on that, then you have to wait for the confirmation. Let's register a user and see if we have. I think we can copy it from the management controller as well. You can see here category deleted successfully. Contact deleted successfully. So this is going to be the message. We are looking for this one. So wait for text. this text, and once you see that, then assert that the path is dashboard. Yes, that is correct. So what should we assert? Assert path is that. Assert C, let's use it. Assert C and passing this. So let's remove the semicolon. So what this is going to do is it's going to click on the delete button, then wait for the contact deleted successfully, and here will be like this is like contact, and then the contact name, contact deleted successfully. It's gonna wait for that. Once that message appears, then assert that the path is this, and assert that the delete. This is like you can see that. I mean, obviously once that appears here, it's gonna be available here. But let's see. Let's use it anyway. So I'm gonna clear the screen, and I'm gonna exclude the ones that we have tested so far. So I have executed that command before. You can see php artisan desk dash dash exclude group and escape group that we created. In the previous videos, we assigned the classes that were already running. We assigned them the group that is skip, and we are skipping those so that we can save time. Okay, so you can see the test is passed successfully. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. We will create a test for the edit page as well.